Yeah.
We leaned out a little bit and bring my guide in here. And I made these really snug. They will wear out over time. You can make them.
I was gonna say hit the edge a little.
You can make them a little less snug. Like when I put this together, I put one on and then I pinched the bit in here and screwed the other one down. You know, if you put like a dollar bill or a piece of construction paper or something in there and gave yourself just a little bit of wiggle room. And I build these.
Oh, I thought it was for a clamp. That's good though.
You can put a clamp on it for sure, but either my knee or my boot fits in here. And I'm just going to start it. And at this point, I've got enough in the wood that it's straight. And now, I'm not going through a mortise right now, but its lead screw is going to pull it through. I don't want to blow out the other side, even though when these are sharp, you can, and it won't. It'll leave a clean hole, but as you use it over time, it's better practice to and try not to. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of back pressure to resist that lead screw, so when it pokes through, it strips and doesn't go all the way through. Oh.
How did you know where you're through that enough?
You're not there yet.
Do you not just not, as I say?
Oh, yes, I am. It's right there on the edge.
Piece of tape would handle
Yeah,
it.
You could, but when you do that on these, it doesn't eject chips when you get down to it.
No, when you want to stop. Just
you
there's
put a
stopping
piece of tape
point.
around
No,
here.
you'll if you blue tape around there, but he's saying it doesn't eject the chips if you have
around the bit.
We'll get you set up. You'll feel it. It strips out.
Yeah.
It stops automatically, basically.
You can see it down there. You can see the hole because
and that gives you a hole to go
it
the other
stops
way.
pulling.
If you have to clear your cutter, if you got stuff in here, do it from the backside because these are sharp and I've cut myself multiple times. I've got my hole. This is where my lead screw stripped out. I'm going to put the drill in reverse.
Oh, there you go. Then it's not ripping it.
And it's the older version, and it's still we're cracking.